Attention to all the American tile importers. Grab your coffee and get ready to add these outdoor tiles for your new collection. I am Yukti Balara, and today in this video I am going to talk about how to choose the best tile for your outdoor application. Now you might be thinking that white tiles are not the natural stone or RCC flooring, but there is a
reasonable explanation why
I should say that you should go for the tiles. Okay, so first reason that why you should choose the tile is thickness matters. The thickness of course matters because if you go for the regular tile it will break, but if you go for the special outdoor application tiles which comes with a 20 mm thickness, as you can see in this video, the thickness is double the size that you can have it in your indoors. It comes with the color body as well, so it doesn't wear out over the period of time because the body is same, so it doesn't look that bad. After 30-40 years, still you don't have to change the tiles after 30-40 years. It can handle all the environmental changes such as rain, snow, sunlight. It is antifungal as well, so you don't have to worry about anything. It can withstand with any elements that can have it in the environment, so it is that much tough. Now talking about tough, you might be thinking that can I use this tile for outdoor? I mean, what if I want to use this in my parking? Yes, because of the double the size and the strength, you can use it in your parking as well. So it is made for that specific reason only, that you can use it in your parking. Even after parking your car every day, this tile doesn't break or this tile doesn't wear out after a long time. Another thing that you should go and ask for the tile is that the roughness of the tile. Now you might be thinking that how does it matter? Of course it matters, because you don't want to slip in front of your important guests on the tiles, right? So that is the reason why you should always check the roughness. That is what we call in technical terms the anti-slip, the roughness. Now usually the tile that is indoor comes with R9, the roughness 9. But when it comes to outdoor tiles, it comes with R11. The third point, that is surface and sizes. Now it comes with a matte surface, and it comes with two things like plain matte or with the punch, but it comes with R11 surface which is very rough, which is like anti-slip, and it comes with 4 sizes so far. And if you want to go for the sizes, we can of course make it for you because customization is the king for tile. So far 4 sizes are most popular in American market, that is 60 by 60, 80 by 80, then 60 by 90 and 60 by 120. So these 4 sizes are very much popular in the American market. Now sizes and surfaces are important, but what's more important is the laying pattern. Now why do you want to go for boring when you can go with the interesting way, right? So you should always go for the interesting way to make your house or outdoor look more aesthetic. So the patio pack is answer to all. Over the period of time, people have explored and experimented lots of laying patterns, out of which the patio pack is very much popular among the American tile laying patterns. We offer patio pack tiles as well, as per your sizes or as per your orders. Patio packs are like pre-arranged assorted tiles for your laying in your outdoors. So these are the things that you should keep in mind while choosing the best tile for your outdoor application. The first one is the thickness, that is 20 mm, then anti-slip, that is R11, then the roughness, that is R11. Then comes with surface and sizes, that you should always check what surface do they provide and what sizes do they provide. Then comes the laying pattern. These things you should keep in mind when you go for purchasing the outdoor tiles. So if you think that this video was interesting or informative, then please hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.